Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to your video for free. In order to do that, first of all, you have to download the Clipcamp or you can visit their website. Just simply click on Microsoft Clipcamp, which is owned by Microsoft. So what you have to do is you have to log in with your free account. From there, you after logging in the account of Clipcamp, just simply click on the create a new video. Just click on and select the simply day and night, other updates, next, I got it. Now from here you can upload your or import your media, which is, for example, I will import this video which I have recorded for my tutorials. Just put it over here. Now for the subtitle, what you can do is to go to in the text, click on the media, and from there you have to select the caption. Simply click on the caption, click on the try now, and select your preferred language. Now if you want to filter profanity or offensive language, you can just click on this tick mark, or if you don't want, just click on the transcript media. It will make subtitles automatically. Now as you can see here, the caption has been created. Now if you want to change something, for example, I want to change the caption's color, just simply click on the caption. As you can see here, you can change the color from here. Now if you want to change the font of your text, you can do that as well. Now if you go to your advanced and just remove the outline, now it looks good. Now from normal to bold, make sure you have put the text in the right position where all the text can be visible, so make sure that. So this is how you can create subtitles to a video for free.